It's the best-selling Toyota nameplate of all time. And even though shoppers are leaving the traditional car segment in favor of crossover SUVs, the company isn't ready to leave 275,000 annual U.S. sales on the table. Following on the heels of the impressive Corolla Hatchback is this all-new 2020 Corolla Sedan, its most popular body style. 12 generations strong, the Corolla is the latest Toyota to showcase a bolder design. From wheel to wheel, its measurements are the same as before, but this car is wider and lower with a shorter hood for better forward visibility. Various trim levels cater to distinct tastes, with XSE and SE grades being the sportier pair, with L, LE, and XLE models playing it more conservatively. As such, this XSE is the first Corolla to ride atop 18-inch wheels while also receiving a body-colored chin spoiler, additional aero elements, and model-specific LED front lighting with smoke lenses in the rear. Having already tested it, I can tell you the new powertrain is a winner, pairing a 169-horsepower 2-liter engine with a very smart CVT, delivering a vivacious driving experience. And yes, a 6-speed manual is still on the menu, with a sporty downshift rev matching feature designed for smoother shifting and improved handling. Assuming it drives similarly to the hatchback, the new sedan, with its stiffer body and thoroughly upgraded suspension, provides more fun than ever before. This new platform also promotes a much quieter cabin. Technology moves to the forefront with standard Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, and Wi-Fi Connect, while high-end safety features are also standard, such as radar cruise control, road sign assist, auto high beams, and more. The all-new 2020 Corolla Sedan arrives in dealerships next spring. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.